Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we have our Honda Fit, the 2011, and we're going to discuss how you would get to remove this electrical module from your door. Now, we've gone through the procedure of removing the door from the car, or the inner door from the car, door panel, from removing the door panel from the car, and now we got it here. Now, you would think you can just pop it out, but you can't. So what you need to do is you need to turn it around. And on the back side, there are 5 screws to be removed. We got 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, sorry, I say 6. And there's 1 over here that you would remove. We've got a photo, and we'll have arrows on it for you. So then, the other 5 have been removed. Remove this one, and with that one, well, you can see that. With that one removed, this just sits in here, but with all 6 removed, this just kind of slips and pops out. And see, now we have this whole unit has been removed. But we can only get access to this one screw that holds this thing in. So what you need to do is you need to pop this little cover up, and you see you can get it there. And then if you kind of shift it to yourself, just kind of rock it, you can fold this whole thing out. And it folds out. I thought you could still do it on the door. You can't. I mean, you might be able to, but it's got these tabs that were holding it in, and I wasn't able to get it undone. So you just take it completely off, and then you take these remainder of screws out, these 4 screws. And with those 4 screws out, you can just pull this straight out and pull it away. And then that's how you get to it. I mean, these rockers will wear out, and sometimes the electrics can wear out in it. But it's more the rockers wear out, and then your buttons don't work correctly. And so that's why you would need to replace this. So, to go ahead and put a new one in, so you've got your new one. You're just going to take it, put it, you're going to take it and you're going to put it back in, your orientation there, and then put the 4 screws back in. Alright, with those screws all in and tightened up, then you just snap it all back together. One thing you're going to want to look, this has a little tab. You want to get that tab to go under there, and that holds this to have one nice seamless connection. If you leave that tab on top, then you get a little gap down here. You don't want to do that. Okay, then we'll do the same. Then we just put this back into the door. You got these 3 tabs that you're going to line up. Get everything to sit right on that side, and then just put the 5 screws back in on the back. Sorry, the 6 screws. We're going to put the 6 screws back in on the back here. Right. With all the screws in and snugged up, we have replaced our button switches, our button module on our Honda Fit. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.